Hey everyone, it's Gunter here and welcome to the next episode in building a no-code product. So there haven't been too many of these. I think we're on episode 5 at the moment, if you want to call it an episode. And what I really wanted to do was take an opportunity to check in with you and share progress on my journey and how I'm getting along with building the change management toolkit. So I guess to get started off, some great news is it's built. I'm really chuffed about this. Everything is done. And I'm going to go through some of the things that I've covered off in the next slide. But basically, the product is built. All the content is there. I've done all of the QA. And I'm really just thinking now about getting all the fulfillment set up. So, yeah, that's really exciting news. And I'm really happy to have gotten to this point, and I'm really looking forward to getting the toolkit out there and getting it in people's hands and getting them to start using it to help them make a difference in the way they deliver projects and change management interventions. So then, what have I been working on since we last spoke? Well, you'll recall in the last update, I spoke about building content and building content and building content. And that was the real slog work, was getting together all of the collateral, building out all of the content, which is really the heart of the toolkit. So you'll not be surprised that it was just more of the same. What I did as well was a lot of QA, and this was really just setting up some standards as I'd been working through the content to try and make sure that all of the templates, for example, were consistent. Just to make sure that everything fits together really well. So as I was going through that, I built up a bit of a checklist. I then went back, worked through all of the content and applied that filter or that lens to make sure that all of the content I put together was meeting those QA criteria that I'd laid out for myself. I also did some social media marketing, and the one thing I've been focusing on with this is obviously building up some kind of awareness around the toolkit itself, but also building up an email list, because I think that's really important. It's going to be great to have an email list that on day one of the launch, I can reach out to them and say, hey, this product that you signed up for, because you're interested in it, it's available now, and it's there for you to go and sign up to purchase or download or whatever it is. So I've been spending some of my time doing that. I wrote a short user guide, which was incorporated into the product itself, really just to help people get up and running with it. And then I recorded some training videos to go along with that. So you can, read the user guide or watch the training videos or do both. So those are all done and dusted, incorporated into the product, up on YouTube and all ready to go. So, of course, I learned some lessons, and there were a few here. Firstly was, as much as you check things, errors do creep in. And as I say, I applied that QA lens. But when I went back, for example, and wrote the user guide or recorded the training videos, I spotted some additional sort of issues or inconsistencies that I just need to go back and fix. So always a good thing to check twice, 3 times, 4 times. So I'm glad I caught those things out. Nothing major, but it's just about the quality, and you want the experience to be great for the users of the toolkit. Keep up the marketing effort. It's easy to focus on putting the content together, but forget about the marketing effort. Just getting stuff posted on social media, connecting with people, talking about the project you're working on, share what it is you're doing, share what it is you're wanting to achieve. And then this one, sometimes you just look at the work that's still left and it's really overwhelming. And, you may have an hour free or half an hour free and think you won't achieve much. But what I can say is just do one thing, even if it doesn't feel like progress. Complete half a template or get a few social media posts out. It is progress, even if it doesn't feel like it. Just do that one thing. And those small steps or small amounts of effort combined will really just move things forward. So yeah, that's it from me. That's the update. I will be posting some demo videos of the product coming up soon, how to use it and what it looks like on the inside. So stay tuned for those, and please reach out to me and let's have a chat about the toolkit. I'm really excited about this, and I would love to chat to you and learn more about how this toolkit can help you.